There are so many paths to take in this industry, but only one leads you to the PCI experience, crafted from our tried and true, unique, proven process. We are a customer-focused, collaborative, and dependable network of people working for you to provide solutions for your next innovation. This might look like sourcing a hard-to-find ingredient, blending and repackaging a product, or reducing overall complexity throughout the process while creating shorter lead times. We really take our time to get to know you and to establish a partnership that will grow and evolve with your business. It works like this. From discovery to delivery, we are on this path together, building a long-term relationship that focuses on your needs, wants, and business goals. As partners, we will work together to identify opportunities for advancement, then target and solve the pain points that are slowing you down. From customer onboarding to technical support, down to choosing a strategically located distribution center to best suit your business. And when the time is right, we will take the lead, following our roadmap to the solutions, selections, and service you require. Starting with the proposal, we'll develop a long-term strategy that ensures you will get what you need when you need it. You are free to focus on doing what you do best, growing your business. Processor's Choice paved this path with attention to detail. That includes everything from expert technical support to tailor-made logistics and warehousing plans, all the way to continual personal attention. Our proven process leads to perfect service every time, or we will make it right. We even have your back after hours. As soon as we deliver on our promise, we look for the next opportunity to strengthen our relationship and delight you again. In business, there are many paths you can take. While some are rough and forever uphill, the path you take with Processor's Choice is easy. Our proven process paves the way to provide perfect customer service every time, and you will know that we care every time.